and we have downed tools for a couple of hours, and we're going to take you along on a trip to Port Grimaud. It's a very picturesque little port. Think pastel coloured houses built right onto the water's edge. Each house has its own mooring spot, and the owners of the properties can just open their doors and dip their toes into the sea. There's lots of bars and some really cute restaurants. It is well worth a visit. Actually though, we're not going to do a tour of the town today. We will be doing one in the future, but I think today's just going to be a bit too busy, and the reason for that is because since 2018, for the first time, Port Grimaud are going to be hosting a festival dedicated to the Harley-Davidson bikes. Now, neither Steve or I are big bike fans, but they have been rumbling past our house for the past 7 to 10 days on their way to this festival. I think it takes place over a few days, but the highlight is at 4 o'clock this afternoon, and that's where we're heading now. There is going to be a procession of Harley-Davidsons leaving Port Grimaud, and they're riding all the way to Saint-Tropez. Now, the organisers have said there's going to be a minimum of 2,500 bikes taking part, so I think whether you love them or hate them, this is going to be quite a spectacle. So we're just about to set off now. We're going to take the coastal road. The sky is blue, the sun is shining. We're not covered in plaster dust or paint, so what's not to love? We'll see you there. Village. It is way too busy, and by the looks of it, some of the roads are closed anyway. So we have parked up along with a lot of other people, and we're just waiting for the procession to pass.
Of them passing by, no end in sight. Really cool one to it. I'm not a bike fan, but past us, 700. Don't think we're halfway yet. classics too, a few trikes and some noisy ones. Starting to wonder if these are just coming round on the loop, that roundabout, round to another and back down.